Now I will show you how to use the touch screen. You will see this is languages here, English and Chinese. This is automatic page. This is manual page, parameters page, I/O page, alarm page. Okay, automatic page you will see here. This is a count. How many pieces already produced? Here we can clean 0. And this is production rate. How many pieces per minute and how many pieces per hour? This is a current. Let's say calculation. This is show this current, this speed, and this is a function optional. Function optional. You see, it's a fading, and this is each one. It's open. Fade. This one is open fading. This is a conveyor stop while fading. It means while fading and then conveyor stop. This is automatic fading to this tank. Fading, automatic fading. This top is top. Top side, automatic fading. Automatic fading. If you open this one, you can connection with your fading tank, and then ultrasonic sensor versus check, and then automatic fading. And this is a foam, suck. When you open this one, and then this when you automatic start machine, and then it was suck foam. And this is input and output at the same time. It means while fading, when it's after finish this fading, and then bottles spool out, and then this empty bottles in. Here we have a delay. We have delay. It means from here this sensor move, and then how long, and then start fading. So make sure this have a space. So this function. So if we use this fading this foam products, formula, and then we should open this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one or open. Okay, and then we press this start. Normally reset if there's emergency, for example, you reset, and then we release emergency, and then here we need this reset, you see, complete reset, and then we can start. We can start automatic, you see here, and then you see machine will start running. So this is show you how to running with automatic. So we will show from here. This is an automatic page. And also we can use this press here. Press here. It's okay. See? And then reset here. Also reset here. And then start. Also save. So we have this mechanism this button, and also have touch screen this button. Okay. So this is automatic page.